Dear. So my name is Alice Emmy. If you are new to this channel, karibu sana. Thank you so much for clicking to this video. Thank you so much for clicking to this video. Yes, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. You've been sharing my videos and I'm super excited. Thank you for the support. Please, you can as well leave a comment and tell us where you are watching us from. Yeah, so in this video, as you can see, as per the title, I want to show you how to use a 3-in-1 carrier. Guys, let me tell you, when I bought the carrier, it took me quite a while to know that actually you can start using a 3-in-1 carrier even at 0 months. Yes, if you don't have to wait for your baby, because people are telling me the baby is still young, you have to wait until about 3 months. Yes, but for a 3-in-1, you won't have to wait. You don't have to wait for a baby to turn 3 months. Okay, not actually 3 months, but they mean like the baby's neck should be firm enough. Yes, yeah. So if the neck is firm, even at 2 months, you can use the carrier. But let me tell you, for me, my point of view is for the 3-in-1, you don't have to wait baby to reach 3 months or 2 months. Even at 0 months, you can use the carrier. I'm going to show you step by step. So the first way of you to use the carrier, basically, of course, I'm going to start with what we all know. And to be specific, this is a 3-in-1 hip baby carrier. 3-in-1 hip baby carrier. So I'm going to start with I've already shared a video of how to fix or how to assemble the carrier with a hip and without a hip. Yes, how I've been able to fix this, just in case you bought it and you're seeing a lot of these, how they're called, they're not tied, you don't know where to put where. Please watch that video. It's what I did first before this. Yes, so let me just show you. So I'm seated. I don't know if I can stand. If I stand, you guys won't be able to see me, but let me do this video while seated. This is my baby in this video. I'm illustrating. This is my baby in this video, and I'm going to do it while seated, because when I stand, it's not coming out well. So, and I want you guys to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to tie this in my waist and make sure it is tight. And then you have to tie this behind part. And you see, there's this behind part. Tie this. Yeah, so it's kind of tight enough. The next thing is to put on this to wear. You can decide to first of all put the baby here. This is my baby here, and then you put on the back end and the back end as well. So like as I explained earlier, this space is for the hands, so you can put the baby's hands up here. My baby's hands are not so long, and some applies to here. You put his hands. Ensure that the behind part is locked, so you have to lock the upper part as well. I don't know if you guys can see me. Yeah, my baby won't fall. My baby is safe. So don't forget to add just to ensure that it's all tight the way you want it. So this is the first step. This is what we all know. This is the first step. As I explained, this part is for the hands, but if you don't want to put the hands up there for the baby, you can decide to leave them here. And then if you also want to put this a bit lower for the baby's head to be seen, I explained earlier on how to use this. Just get these two, put this here, and also put this one on this other side. Yeah, so my baby's head is seen and the hands are safe. So you can decide to lower this part and put the hands down, or alternatively you can leave it. Leave it, and then you put the baby's hands in here. So ensure this thing is well fit. You can only do that by adjusting with the behind part. Let me show you. Are you seeing this? You can use this to adjust for it to fit you the way you want. And even on this hand, on this side, I'm also going to twist it a bit for it to be tight. So you're using this one to adjust for it to be fitting. Yeah, and I now feel my baby is so tight, close to me, and safe. So this is the very first step. So let me show you the second step. The second step is I'm putting off the hip, but I'm going to retain the carrier up. So, and also guys, either way, you can decide to put the baby in the, let me show you, this is my baby. You can also decide to make the baby face this side. It's mostly whites that do that. Africans, we prefer the other way around. You see the legs are here, they are safe. So it's too tight for me, so I have to pull it a bit back for it not to be yes, and even here I have to pull it kidogo. Yeah, so it's okay. So I'll put the baby's hands up here. So I think now you can see. So I can decide to leave this up. These are his hands. Or I can decide to put this. But I would advise you have to be gentle because this is a baby. I would advise you to put the baby in this position because when they sleep close to you, you're guarding their chest for the cold not to get into them, as compared to when they are facing on this side. This side is more safer because the baby is a bit close to you and they're able to get warm through, and then their chest is safe, no cold that is going to get close in contact with them. That is my point of view, but you can decide either way, either to face the baby the front way or the behind way. So let's try the other way. The other way is let me first of all put my baby in the right position here, and these hands here. Even this one you can adjust depending on how your baby, the size of your baby. So I've adjusted because my baby's hands are moving out. Same applies to this. I explained on how to put it back, but I'm going to leave it here. This is for you to put anything, maybe a phone, yeah, a phone or anything that is not a phone actually, because a phone will be pressing the baby, but it's I don't know what you can put here. Leave a comment and tell us what can you put here that is safe for the baby. Yeah, so the next step is this. I'm putting off the hip, so I'll have to remove this and remove and remove. So this is the second step. So both these two, you'll still have to make sure that if you are carrying the baby at 0 months, you make sure that you hold their neck, because most times babies, when they're in a carrier, they tend to sleep. So you watch, make sure that the neck is not going on the other direction, and on this direction is just in the right position. Yes. So this is the second step. So the other third step that I would recommend mothers with babies who are just weeks, not even a month, is what I'm going to show you guys. So first of all, I'm going to remove the baby from this carrier, because this is way different. My baby be here. So first of all, I'm going to adjust this, and I'm also going to adjust this one. I'm also going to adjust this one. Yes, the third step is I'm going to put on the first arm of the carrier, and then get my baby, put him in the carrier, start with the legs, put them in the rightful position, ensure that you adjust according to the size of the baby. You adjust the carrier in any angle, in any way, to be tight enough according to the size of the baby. Yes, how big is your baby? So I'm going to hold the baby in this position, put on this, yeah, and my baby is safe. So I only need a lasso, or I need something, mostly here in Kenya, women are used carrying baby in their chest, but you can use this other, you can use the same carrier to put the baby in your chest. Here they are safe with you. So the only thing you'll have to do is to adjust this, and then the second one. You're adjusting this one to be firm enough, depending on how you feel your baby is safe. I feel my baby is safe with me. And also the other thing is, you adjust this angle. The more you adjust, the more the baby gets close to your body or gets close to your chest. You see? Yeah, so my baby is safe, so I can decide to still make this or leave it, but I would prefer you leave it, but that's upon you. For me, I would prefer leaving it the way it is and not putting it down. Yes, so I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are a new subscriber, don't forget to like. I have more other motherhood content on this channel. Please take time and watch my other videos. Yes, and I have more other interesting videos coming on this channel, still about motherhood, lifestyle, cooking. Tell me, what do you prefer, or what which kind of content do you expect from me? Remember, your wish is my command. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.